And the cloud. One bright morning, the sun smiled over the world. Good morning, trees. Good morning, birds, said the sun. The flowers opened their petals, butterflies danced. Little girls ran outside to play. Just then, a big fluffy cloud floated across the sky. I am stronger than you, sun, said the cloud. Look, I can cover you. The clouds spread out wide and blocked the sunlight. The world became dark and cool. The little girl looked up and said, "Oh, where did the sun go?" The cloud felt proud. "See, I am stronger." But after a little while, the cloud became heavy. Drop by drop, rain began to fall. Piddle paddle, piddle paddle, piddle paddle. Then the cloud became smaller and smaller. The sun looked out again and smiled. The little girls saw the bright sunshine and ran back out to play.
Korea